Okay, here's another quick video for the 52 gasser project. We finally got the hood lined out. A lot of sanding, some bodywork, filler, of all the little pits and everything. And then now I put on a filler primer, and we'll just have to do some sanding on that to get all the scratches out. And there's still some small pits that we might have to put some glazing putty in and take care of. But it's looking a lot better than it did before, if you watch any other videos. But another thing we have done is we finally received, after a couple months, we finally got the front turn signal housings. And I'll post some pictures of what they looked like when I first received them. They were not in very good shape at all. Had some rust holes in them and some really deep pitting, as you can see. I basically wire brushed them, sanded them down, and filled the holes with some short strand fiberglass, you know, because that works pretty well. And basically got it all, one of them all fixed up, put some glazing putty on it again to fill all the little pits, sanded it down a few times, primered it up with some filler primer, and we'll keep working on that. But these parts are pretty much unobtainable, very difficult to find if you've been looking for one. I saw some posts on Facebook, when I was looking for these, and some people's been looking for them for years. So anyway, we can just rejuvenate them basically and get them back into looking in a proper order. And you know, they sell that chrome paint, so I don't know, that might be something we might consider doing with these, some real chrome on them to get them back to a presentable image. But again, this is a drag car, so not really concerned about looking too good on that. But yeah, we've basically got to save these old parts because they're not making them anymore. It's not like a Tri-5 Chevy where you can still pretty much order everything reproduced. But yeah, we're still going, working on the hood, or the roof, I mean. There was somebody had laid something heavy on the roof, and there was some pretty good dents in it, and we were taking care of those, knock some of the dents out, and we should have that lined out pretty soon. But yeah, we got to line a 351 Windsor. Hopefully we can maybe get that pretty soon and get starting on the engine. But like I said, I'll post some pictures of what everything looked like before, and we'll go from there.